How to create a community on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then it will open all these options. Simply click on Communities. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up on Communities. On the left side, click on Create Community. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Add name for your community, descriptions if you want to add. Then scroll down and then select an image from your computer. Select the image you want for your community page. After you have selected, scroll down and anyone can join, which is public, and manual approval, which is private only for your friends. Then click on Robux 100 at the bottom. Click on Purchase and purchase it. You will need 100 Roblox to create a community. This is how to create a community on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.